cop the new Limited?
Yo, what up? Got the new Limited, you know.
5.0 versus 3.5 high output coming soon?
Yeah. Gotta get it.
It's got the blue interior. And no, you don't have the suede headliner, dude.
Totally.
That's crazy. The Limited badge.
Yes, sir.
Smell good. Here's his old truck.
Got destroyed by a snowbird, you know.
They get an exhaust, it can sound like a Raptor.
Raptor.
Oh, what the hell? Why does your Limited not have the back exit exhaust?
I don't know, man. Why not?
Tyler's gonna sell me these 22-inch wheels for the Platinum. $2,000. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Just finished up at the gym with Moist. You guys just saw our clips of us racing. I think he won one of them and I took the other one, and then the other two that were at the very beginning, he definitely just didn't know how to race and forgot driving for a second, but we're not going to count those. Practice runs, I guess. But there we go. Just got the Publix, gonna do some shopping for the week, and hopefully load up on some meat, start meal prepping when we get home. Well, not much lean ground beef left. Got the last two packs of 92.7, and then 92.8. Stir fry steak and lean ground turkey. Stacked up on water. Card update, got some Ghosts, Oikos 000, stuff's absolutely delicious. Fairlife fat free, Egglin Best egg whites, cage free eggs, and then some carb counter tortillas. And unfortunately, we are trying to get shredded, so this week we're gonna have to skip the cheese. Quite unfortunate. I love cheese so much, but I gotta do it. Well, $170 later, secured the groceries. Well, time to go home, get all this stuff unloaded. Hopefully this lasts me the week. I sure hope so, because it was almost 200 bucks, and it costs more than $200 a week to eat. That's insane. So it'll be fun trying to meal prep without cheese, because cheese is literally life, and I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna have to experiment to get shredded. If you guys are commenting on the Truly to get shredded, you know what? Sometimes I want to drink. If I'm gonna drink, might as well drink something with 0 carbs, or 0 calories and 0 carbs, whatever it is. If you're gonna drink healthy. Don't be going out getting only sugar and drinks. So life's all about balance. Just gotta figure out what works for you, what works best, and do it that way, man. That's all I can really say. But time to go home, get this unloaded. It's about to rain, so try and beat that. Meal prep going down. Glenn's cooking up. Well, we've got 8 things of rice. Glenn's chilling. Time to weigh out the beef. Don't mind that. Should be about 10 ounces per cup of rice in the Rubbermaid. Meal prep's done. Gwen's gonna do the dishes and clean up. Oh guys, this was just a short little video. More something like I post on TikTok. So if you guys want to follow my TikTok, link down below. And this is gonna wrap it up. Gwen, stay tuned.